I like typing letters on real typewriters. I prefer that to using email. I only have typewriters I use. There are no typewriters for show. If it doesn't work, I don't want it, I don't have it. I use them. For me, it is the precision of the engineering, the durability. I have 15. Without a doubt, my favorites are the Olympia, this big green, also called the Otto von Bismarck of typewriters because it's so heavy, and a Swiss-made Hermes typewriter called the Hermes Ambassador. Both were made for offices. They're not portables. If you want to type more gingerly or strongly, here's the touch control. Move it to the right, it gives you more resistance. Move it to the left, it gives you less resistance. Actually, the faster you type, the harder should be the resistance because it'll slow you down a little bit and decrease jams in the keys and stuff. By far, I think they are the best typewriters ever made. And I think even in the blogosphere of all the typewriter nerds out there, most would agree it's between these two. They are simply the finest, most precisely engineered machines ever built. This is probably my favorite. This is the Olympia Sg-1. The Sg stands for Schreibmaschine Große, the big typewriter. This machine is the one that has compressed all kinds of features that went into research and design of these mechanical marvels until the electrics took over. So this has features that other typewriters don't have. For example, one problem with a manual typewriter is if you jam the keys, you have to keep freeing them with your finger and you get ink on your finger. This machine has a button. It's double duty. It's the margin release, but it also unjams the keys. The typeface on this Olympia Sg-1, one of those big green German machines, is quite unique. It's small caps. I've never ever seen a typewriter that had that. This, I found out later, was used actually in the military and in telegraph offices. I have a friend of mine, when I write, he often will take a photo of it and email the photo. Your letter arrived today. It does make an impression on people, which I don't do it for that reason, but I found out that it does. People often react very positive. Oh my gosh, somebody took the time to type a letter.